Well, I mean, I think the initial hesitation was always the the cost and an investment of just time to make this happen. But at the end of the day, you look at if I were to try to do this myself, not having the expertise as well as the amount of labor I would have to hire to produce what we've produced. I mean, it would have cost easily, 5 times as much as my investment. So after kind of overcoming that initial objection, probably more so from my business partners, but they weren't feeling as much pain with trying to establish our methods and procedures.
Right.
But I think they have seen the light of day with some of the new tools we've implemented, and dashboards that have helped us manage the business. So it's already paid off itself, and we're probably not even a third into our total project here.